Welcome back. Right, it's been 2 days on this now, sorting out this, whoever cut this wiring loom, and now I gotta trim all these edges and solder them all back together. So I'll probably have 3 days in total trying to sort somebody else's mess up. So I won't bore you with me trying to solder all these, but you can see what kind of nightmare I got. And take me fucking forever, this is. Gonna look through all these, trying to find the right one. That one there. As you can tell, this is one massive ball ache. And then the wire shredder doesn't shred properly. You gotta pick at it. Please tell me if I'm doing this wrong. And then, oh, that's what I need. Heat shrink. Put the heat shrink on first, don't want to forget that. Then don't know if this is right, if I'm doing this the right way, but it seems to be working. Then multiply that by 20,000. Okay. Right, well there's one side of the injectors done. So all I gotta do now is hopefully bend this over like so, pull the heat shrink up like so, heat shrink gun for your, and it's all working. Bastard! And yeah, big fail there. Fucking stupid thing. Come on. Ah, look. Like so. That's crap. So how's it gonna? Over there. Don't do this at home, kids. I'm a trained professional idiot. Na-na! Wow. Almost looks professional. Oh, look at them. Just bloody all them to go next. Jesus, what flame just fucking boiling in here. Right, I'm happy with them. 20 million more to go. Catch you on number 4.